Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement front wheel hub and bearing assembly that comes in a set of two. Now, this set of wheel hubs is going to fit a variety of GM vehicles, including Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC vehicles, such as the Rainier, the SSR, the Trailblazer, the Envoy, as well as the Bravada. So let's talk about these for a minute. As you can see here, there's two wheel hubs that are included. On the back side of the wheel hub, you'll see the wheel bearing assembly, and on the front side, you'll see that it comes with the wheel studs pre-pressed in place. Both of the wheel hubs are also going to include a new ABS wheel speed sensor that comes pre-installed with the wire harness and connector. Now, the installation of the wheel hubs is pretty straightforward. You remove the factory wheel hub and you install a new one in place of the old one. Now, seeing as these are installed on the wheel, depending on how old your vehicle is, how much it's been driven in the snow and things like that, sometimes the wheel hubs get rusted in there pretty good, and you need to use some PB blaster and possibly a torch and some heat to get them removed from the vehicle. So we definitely recommend your experience with installing wheel hubs if you're going to tackle this project. Now, if you guys have any questions about the wheel hubs themselves, the installation, or if it fits your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.